song I'm gonna sing. First one is called A Boy and a Girl Thing by Bo Peep. Hope you guys enjoy it. He's gross, she's got cooties. That's just how it's supposed to be. He hates dumb tea parties, and she won't climb a tree. It's a boy and a girl thing. A girl and a boy thing. She'll stop wearing pigtails, take the braces off her teeth. He'll stop making faces, start saving her seat. It's a boy and a girl thing. A girl and a boy thing. She'll start wearing makeup and he'll start noticing the curves. They'll get a little nervous when she's with him and he's with her. Is he gonna kiss me? Wonder if she wants me to. Awkwardly embarrassed, not sure what to do. It's a boy and a girl thing. A girl and a boy thing. They'll throw around I love you, start making plans to say I do. Start a brand new life together and probably have some babies too. They'll fight and act like children and make up like they're 17. And even when they're 80, it's still gonna be a boy and a girl thing. A girl and a boy thing. A girl and a boy thing. A boy and a girl thing.